Meet the Flip Toaster Oven and Air Fryer, aka the hero your countertop didn't know it needed. This 8-in-1 powerhouse air fries, roasts, broils, bakes, toasts, does bagel, pizza, even dehydrates, all in one sleek stainless steel design. But here's the part that makes everyone gasp. When you're done, it literally flips up and out of the way, taking back 50% of your counter space. Yeah, it cleans up after itself too, with a removable crumb tray. Cook a full 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of toast, or up to 4 pounds of food fast. Thanks to advanced heating and rapid air circulation, you get edge-to-edge, even cooking, and up to 75% less fat than traditional frying. Big meals, tiny footprint. What's not to love?